The skies lit up last night as the nation celebrated the long-awaited victory in the usual manner. And for a small group in Nausori, there was no better way to thank the boys.
Even to this morning, the Hong Kong Sevens victory still rang loud and proud.
When they come this morning, they all come with the costumes that they wear. So I told them, okay, it's better for them to stage something like this, showcase what they have seen from yesterday.
Students of Kasavu Primary School rallying this morning for the victorious national sevens team.
Just here to tell the people that we really support and what the victory in Songkong Po last night.
A spotless flag-raising ceremony, march past, thank you messages, and of course, the Dhimbi. All this on the back of last night's fireworks, which filled the skies right throughout the country. After the final whistle. Of all the messages sent out to our boys back in Hong Kong, who tonight are in Japan, this one summed it all up. William Tabuya, Fiji One News.